Hey everyone, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and today I'm going to show you a super simple pizza using one of my favorite things, caprese. Caprese is a mixture of basil, tomato, soft mozzarella cheese, and some olive oil, and we're gonna put it on a pizza. So delicious. I just made this pizza for a friend of mine who's moving, and I wanted to do a special pizza just for her, and she absolutely loved it, so I want to share it with you. So if you want this recipe, just go to kidsbakingclub.com, go ahead and click the blog up in the menu, type in pizza in the search bar, and there you will find this amazing recipe for you to see and also print so you can make it right away. So you're going to take 3/4 of warm water, not hot water, but warm water. Then you're going to take 1 packet of fast rising yeast, or 3 teaspoons, and you're just going to sprinkle that over on the top. I don't like to dump it out so it doesn't clump. Just go ahead and sprinkle it on the top. And you're going to see once I add 2 teaspoons of sugar, it's going to start to activate that yeast, and that's what we want. You can actually see it starting to dance a little bit. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to stir it very carefully, not too much, until it's cloudy. We're going to let this sit for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. So now you're going to add 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And you're going to mix that really well. What's going to happen is you're going to form this into a dough and cover it with a towel. Set it in a warm place for about 1 hour. Make a perfect pizza dough. And let it sit. Okay, our dough is all risen. As you can see, it's doubled in size. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and just start to stretch it. This is the fun part, especially with kids. It's like Play-Doh, they like to play with it. You can shape it into all kinds of things. You can make an oval, a circle, a heart. I'm gonna be doing more of a rectangle. I've put some olive oil down on the pan. This is a pizza stone, and the oil kind of makes it a little bit easier so your hands don't stick. And as you can see, I have sliced some tomatoes and some soft mozzarella cheese, and then taken my basil leaves and sliced those really thin. I've turned on my oven to 425 degrees. This is a hot oven because we want to get that crust nice and crusty. That's the way I like it. And you can either make a thin pizza or a thick pizza, whichever way you want. Okay, just gonna crimp the edges a little bit, even though it's not taking sauce. Just make sure nothing travels over the side while it's baking. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil and kind of spread it around the top. That's actually the sauce in a way. And then we're going to start layering. So I'm gonna take my tomato. I like a lot of tomato. So go ahead and take your tomato, bring it around the pizza. Kind of arrange it really nice. And then go ahead and take your soft cheese, which I've cut into slices, and layer that on top. And then we're going to take our basil and sprinkle that on top. This not only would be a great dinner, but also an appetizer, where you would cut it into small pieces for a nice appetizer for an event or just to have around the house. All right, this is gonna go into the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And then when it comes out, it's going to be perfect and delicious.